Everyone uses filler words occasionally, and you'll definitely catch me saying some uhs and ahs and and that's okay. But the problem is when your speech or presentation is so full of filler words that people get annoyed by it, and then they start counting how many times are you saying instead of listening to your message. Here are 4 ways to get rid of them. The first one is the power of pausing. We tend to feel very awkward with silences, and so we fill it up with some uhs and ahs and filler words. When I was preparing for my first TEDx talk, my coach made me realize that I was using the uhs because I was thinking about my next line. And so while my brain was thinking, I filled that gap with Sometimes people also fill the silence because they think silence makes them look stupid. But the opposite is true. That pause catches the attention. Try it out. Once you pause, suddenly people will look up and focus on what you're saying. Pausing makes you look confident. Silence is power. The second thing is catch them. Catch your filler words. The only way you can use tip number 1 and the power of silence is when you catch yourself using your filler word. Try to notice all the words that you're using to fill the silence, and also notice when you're using them. Is it mostly in the beginning of the sentence or at the end of the sentence? And tell me in the comments, what are your favorite and most common filler words? I would really love to know. I was not even aware I was using it so much until my coach made me aware of it. Now, if you're not working with a coach, then ask a friend or ask a family member, ask someone to catch you and to point, hey, you're doing it again, you're filling the silence. Or record yourself and watch yourself back, or listen to your recording and notice all the filler words that you're using. The third thing is plan and prepare. By the way, if you like this so far, please can you hit the like button? I really appreciate it. When you're using filler words because you're thinking about the next line, because you don't want to forget your lines, that's when preparation can fix this. I made a video on how to memorize your speech or presentation quickly, and I'll link to that below. Memorize your speech, record yourself on audio, on video, listen to it before you sleep, listen to it when you're out and about. Really practice and plan and prepare your speech. Become so comfortable and so familiar with your speech that you don't need to or ah or fill the gap. The fourth thing is to breathe. Taking a breath avoids using filler words. I also give this advice before every speech or presentation that you give. Take a deep breath. Not only will this make you more calm, make you more focused, make you more centered, but you will appear so much more confident. And being a confident speaker, you want to make sure you engage and captivate your audience. And how you really do that? Follow the tips in this next video. I'll see you there.